What if I told you there's a simple drink you can make in 60 seconds that could flush out toxins, boost your energy, and even help you lose stubborn belly fat? I am here, and for today's video, we are going to talk about the best detox drink to cleanse your body. Let's get started. This is a very important topic because nowadays, we are exposed to so many toxins from the environment, from the food that we eat, from the air that we breathe. And these toxins tend to accumulate in our bodies over time, and they cause all sorts of health problems. So it's really important to find ways to detoxify our bodies and to remove these toxins. And one of the best ways to do this is by consuming detox drinks. Detox drinks are a great way to remove toxins from the body because they are usually made with natural ingredients that have detoxifying properties. They can help to flush out toxins from the liver and the kidneys, which are the two organs responsible for removing waste and toxins from the body. There are many different detox drinks that you can make at home using various ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. In this video, I will share with you one of my favorite detox drinks that is made with just 3 ingredients, and it is very simple to make. This drink is made with apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, and mint leaves. To make this drink, you will need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and a few mint leaves. Let's see how to make this. In a glass of water, mix apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a drink that has been used for centuries to help with digestion and to remove toxins from the body. It is made with fermented apple juice, and it contains acetic acid, which is what gives it its sour taste and its ability to help with digestion. In a glass of water, mix apple cider vinegar with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a type of small, round seed that is high in fiber and healthy fats. They are a good source of nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Chia seeds can help to absorb toxins in the body, and they can also help to improve digestion. Add a few mint leaves to the glass of water and stir well to combine all the ingredients. Mint leaves are a great addition to this detox drink because they are a natural diuretic, which means that they can help to increase urine production and to flush out toxins from the kidneys. Mint leaves also have a refreshing flavor that can help to make the detox drink more enjoyable to consume. So this is your detox drink. You can enjoy it as it is, or you can add more water if you want to dilute it further. It is best to consume this drink on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack to help boost your energy levels and to support your body's detoxification process. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have tried this detox drink, please let me know in the comments below how you feel after drinking it. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video.